Farm sounds. All the farm animals are slowly waking up. Who can you hear saying hello to the new day? The birds begin to sing, and a cow is teaching her calf to moo. A happy little pig snuffles and snorts as he rolls around in the mud. The farmer arrives on his chugging, rumbling tractor. The hens hurry back and forth all day, clucking as they search for tasty worms. The little chicks cheep with excitement as they play in the afternoon sun. The noisy sheepdog barks and wags her tail as she scampers around the field. Rounding up every last one of the sheep. What do the sheep say? There is a lot of quacking and splashing going on in the duck pond. A neighing horse goes back to her stable. It's nearly the end of another busy day on the farm.